Hi everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck. I have 2 incoming mails this week, and so I thought I'd share those with you this Saturday. And before I show you the mails, I was on Emma Lou Love's live this morning, and we did some really cool chat about how we send happy mail and things like that. So I'll quickly show you what I did over there while we were talking. So this was just a stamped image and I watercoloured it. You can see a bit of crinkle in the paper because this is just a sketch paper from a sketchbook. But I can, if I want to, pop that into a book and flatten it out. And then this is my favourite. So this is another stamped image that I have done. So I've got the rainbow around the umbrella, and then I've finished her off with just a grey skirt and some black shoes. So really quite, I had a lovely time with Em this morning. So if you want to head over to Emma Lou Love's channel and check out the live that we did this morning. It is 2 hours long, as long as you've got some time. So let's start with this mail, which has been the longest to come, in the sense that, and I didn't know it was coming, but this one here was dated, so it was the 3rd of February. This one was coming from Canada, so that's February through to now, which we are the 15th of May today. So this one here is from Ingrid, and she is on Instagram. Let me, hang on. Do I have my mobile around? Have I put it somewhere? It's probably somewhere else out of the room. Okay, I will link Ingrid down below. She makes the most amazing memory decks cards on Instagram. So if you are a memory decks fan, then I will definitely link her down below and you can go and see her memory decks cards. So let's open this one. So it's one of those pull tab envelopes, which is rather cool for the Happy Mail community. Oh wow, look how bright it is. I did wonder whether I'd be getting some jelly beans, and the package did shake, so when I got it and I was like, woohoo, jelly beans! The only reason I know that there were jelly beans in this packet is because Ingrid is part of the Happy Mailers community over on Facebook, the Happy Mailers group, and she sent out like something like 20 happy mails when she first joined back in February, and every single pack has had these beautiful jelly beans in. So thank you so much, Ingrid. I'll pop that over to the side and then concentrate on this beautiful mail. So the mail itself, it looks like she's used my envelope design. So I think Em was right that, or I don't know whether it was Em or Mandy was right that saying that we weren't going, like it wasn't going to be the last one that I received, which is so cute. We've got cats here, and I can't wait. Let's have a look. Let's dive in. So we've got this mini doodle pop, and they're two gorgeous cats. You've got this one here, which is a pink one, and then this one here, which is a blue one. And if I was to tell you the size of my cats, this is Jadzia because she's a chunkamunka, and then this is Noodles because she's a nice skinny one. So thank you, love, and yeah, I don't have any Doodlebug design stuff, but I've always loved the designer aspect of the Doodlebug designs. Then we have these epoxy hearts, which are Bella Boulevard, and they are just such gorgeous colours. So thank you, Ingrid, that's awesome. I'm just going to I'm lifting up what was on the back before I go around the front. So we've got these papers, Bella Boulevard papers again. Looks like it's a 12 by 12 that's been cut in to 4, which is such a good idea. So we've got paw prints on one side and hearts on the other. So I'll just quickly flick that over so you can see the paw prints and the hearts on the other. So that's a fabulous idea. Sending a paper. Thank you. And then let's have a little look here at all of these gorgeous, gorgeous goodies. So we've got a vet list, clean, playful, frisky. Then we have beautiful ginger cat. We've got lots of cats in cat trees. We've got balls of wool, cat in a box. So a fish bowl, fish in fish bowl. We've got some, well, this one here is like a fish with the bones. We've got some cat scratchers. We have some paws. Some more paws. Can of tuna. This is my Noodles favourite food, if you ever need to know. Tuna. Yep. Then we have this one here, which has fish on. Some cups stacked in a row. Fish. It says catnap on the books. We have a cushion. A very random cat with a bow in its hair. We've got a tab here. This one's a cutie. And then here we have some tags. And they're the other side sort of thing. So that's very cool. And that looks like she's used those tags from the same leftover paper from the actual envelope. So, and I love, love, love how she's used such a bright paper for me. So she's obviously read my profile because I love bright colours. So I'm going to slide all these beautiful die cuts all back in to the top of that Happy Mail. So thank you so much, Ingrid. That's a beautiful Happy Mail to receive. I'm so sorry it's taken so long, obviously, for it to arrive. I'm saying sorry, I don't know why, because it's actually the postal service, and I don't know which of the postal services, whether it's the Canadian or the Australian, but most postal services are about as bad as each other. So thank you so much. Absolutely love that one. So let's move that out of the way so that I can bring in the next one. So this one here has come from Selene. She's part of the Happy Mailers group, and she's decorated, it's actually a box envelope, and she's decorated the box envelope so beautifully. This vellum butterfly on the front is leaves of, his wings, leaves. His wings come up there, but I can see how beautiful the box is. Sorry, it's a bit of a dull day today. The sun did come out a little second ago, so that's why I decided to actually film this one. So I might just see. Actually, I'm going to see if I can cut along the top here so that I don't rip the paper on the back. So let's make sure. I'm just going to tap anything down on the inside. I really hope it's not one of those box envelopes that you actually do have to open up to see the inside all together, because otherwise I've just ruined it. Oh no, I think I did okay by cutting along the top. Oh wow. Now Selene is the queen of collage, or one of the queens of collage. I think Lizzie Hill is another one. So, oh my goodness, so gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So open this one up on the side. Now, was there a challenge? I think this might be one of the, so Celine's in the Happy Mela group as well. So I think there was a mid-month challenge, and I have a feeling this is Celine's mid-month challenge. So I'll open it up for you guys. Oh wow. Wow, 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 look at those. Aren't they divine? So she's done rosettes, a layer of tulle, like sparkly tulle, another rosette and another layer of sparkly tulle. They're just gorgeous. And then over on the side we've got the tucked in. I think so. I think she's taken this mail from one of my designs, but she's actually made it her own by sewing in this center pocket, which is really cool. So we've got these vellum stickers just here, and I think I'd have to just cut around the one that I want and pop it on a project. So then we'll turn the page. Oh wow, we've got some teas. So we've got English breakfast, and then we've got this one here, which is hibiscus, mint and watermelon. And I'm so glad she sent two, because my husband really loves watermelon, so he can try it with me. Got this beautiful cluster up here with the koala, and it says hello. And then we've got this watering can here that says stay a while. Another fabulous cluster there and there. And then we've got these beautiful teddy bears. They're so cute, and they're like a pinky pearlescent. I'm hoping that the light isn't too bad. We are having a bit of rain this afternoon. And then on this side, how gorgeous are these? So, and even the heating's starting to kick in. We've got a trowel and a fork, and then we've just got these gorgeous pots of flowers. So they're stickers again with little labels on them. Those are going to get hoarded because they're just so gorgeous. And then here we've got another cluster. And then in this packet here we've got, looks like some die cuts. So there's a tag. We've got some Australiana die cuts. No place like home, Australia. I think, was that a cloche? Who was saying that this morning? I can't remember. Was that Vivian? She was talking about a cloche. Or was that Emma? And then we've got these. Yes, it was Emma in the live. Galah. Oh, the rain's started to come down again now. So we've got some gorgeous flowers, some birds, and some tags, and some little flag banners. So they are gorgeous. Now let's have a look at what was underneath. Okay, so another collage, and it says letter. So it's right here. Got that image at the back, got the dragonfly, we've got the little wooden hearts, and then kind of looks like a bee stroke a ladybug. Not sure what that one is. And then it's in this beautiful star bag. So that's those there. So thank you so much, Selene. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to bring up the front here for everyone to see. There's Hey Neighbour, Happy, Stay Cozy. And we've got the doily that goes over. So the doily stops here. And then we've got the lace that goes around on the back to then tie up the book. How gorgeous. Thank you so much, Selene. That is absolutely stunning. And yeah, I look forward to replying to you. And so that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what they've created, and give me a comment on anything that you fancy giving me a comment on it. How's your weekend going? Alright everyone, so take care, lots of crafty love, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!